Hey there, Netflix fans. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to sign out of all devices on Netflix in 2025. Whether you're worried about account security, suspecting unauthorized access, or just want to free up streams for your own devices, this quick guide has got you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, why should you do this? Netflix allows multiple devices to be logged in. But if you think someone else is using your account without permission, signing out everywhere is a smart move. It helps protect your personal data and ensures you're the only one enjoying that binge-watching session. Step 1. Grab your device and head over to the Netflix website. It's easiest on a computer, but you can do this on your phone too. Open your web browser and go to netflix.com. Step 2. Log into your Netflix account using your email and password. Make sure you're entering the correct details to avoid any hiccups. Step 3. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. This will drop down a menu. Select Account from there. Step 4. In the Account section, scroll down until you find the Settings area. Look for Sign out of all devices or something similar. Netflix might tweak the wording, but it's usually under Membership and Billing or Devices. Step 5. When you see the option, click on it. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and confirm. This will sign you out of all devices except the one you're currently using. Don't worry, it won't affect your subscription or saved preferences. A quick tip for 2025. Netflix has been rolling out more advanced security features, like two-factor authentication, so consider enabling that while you're in your settings to add an extra layer of protection. And that's it. You've successfully signed out of all devices on Netflix. Now, when you or anyone else tries to log in, they'll need your password again. If you run into any issues, double-check your account settings or contact Netflix support. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tip. What's your favorite Netflix show right now? Drop it in the comments below. See you in the next one. Stay safe and happy streaming.